Good morning, I'm Liz with Eco Urban Gardens and welcome back for episode 4 of Gardening at Home. Because Wednesday is Earth Day, April 22nd, today we're building a recycled bottled terrarium. Your finished terrarium will look like this. I just took a recycled water bottle and planted a sprout in it. Because it's sealed, the water will continually recycle and you never have to water it. It's its own little ecosystem inside of a bottle. So to build your terrarium, all you're going to need is a bottle, a sprout to plant inside your terrarium, potting soil, some sort of stones, rocks, or gravel for drainage, and a charcoal filter to prevent mold. So our first step is you're going to have to cut your bottle in half. I suggest having some help with this if you're a student or a child. You can use an X-Acto knife or just a nice sharp pair of scissors. So once you have your bottle cut in half, your first step is to fill the bottom of the bottle with the rocks and pebbles. And this is going to keep the water from pooling up at the bottom of the bottle and causing any root rot or mold inside the bottle. So once you've got a nice little layer of rocks, you're going to go ahead and place your charcoal filter inside. This is a filter from my air purifier, but you could use one from a water purifier or a fish tank purifier, wherever you can find a charcoal filter. Then I'm going to put a small layer of potting soil in just to make sure that my roots aren't touching directly onto the charcoal filter. And then I'm going to pop out our sprouts. I've got spinach here. So when my spinach gets nice and big inside my bottle, I can take it out and harvest it in a few weeks. I'm going to gently massage the root ball to break the roots up a bit so they don't grow in the same shape as the container they were placed in. And then any excess soil or airspace around the edge of the sprout is going to get filled in with my potting soil. I want to make sure there's no air bubbles so our plant is nice and snug. So once you get your soil all tucked in here, you're going to use a spray bottle to water it in. This is just a regular spray bottle with regular old water in it. I'm going to get it really nice and moist. We want the soil to be moist but not soaked. If there's water sitting in the bottom, that could lead to potential disease or mold. All right, now that I've got my plants all tucked in and watered, this is the last step and probably the toughest. You're going to take the top of your bottle and create 2 slits on either side, and then we need to create a seal. So I'm going to place the top of the bottle onto the inside of the bottom of the bottle. It's going to be tough. You might need some help. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then I'm going to use Scotch tape to seal the outside of the bottle. You can really use any type of tape. What you're trying to create is just an airtight seal so that the water continually recycles inside the bottle. So once you've got your tape all the way around the outside, you'll have created a perfect seal. You want to place your terrarium in a not full sun but partial sun space and just leave your plant alone. It will grow all by itself. Thanks so much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Happy Earth Day!